How to fix Xfinity router blinking orange. To fix an Xfinity router blinking orange, you need to understand what the blinking orange light means. The blinking orange light on your Xfinity router indicates that it is trying to establish a connection to the Xfinity network but is unable to do so. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including loose connections, outdated firmware, or issues with your Xfinity service. First, power cycle your router by unplugging the power cord, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This will restart your router and may resolve any connectivity issues. If the blinking orange light persists, check all cables and connections to ensure they are secure. Next, try to reset your router to its default settings. You can do this by locating the small reset button on the back of your router, pressing and holding it for 10 seconds, and then releasing it. This will restore your router to its original settings. If you are still experiencing issues, try updating your router's firmware. You can do this by visiting the Xfinity website, signing in to your account, and following the instructions to update your router's firmware. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact Xfinity support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or send a technician to your home to resolve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Xfinity router blinking orange and get back online. It is also recommended to check for any outages in your area and to ensure that your Xfinity service is active and paid up to date. By taking these steps, you can resolve the issue with your Xfinity router blinking orange and get back to using the internet.